Hey good people, this is Leslie Chapman with your Harris County. Today I am featuring this pretty nice property right here located at 6123 Queens Lock Drive in Houston. We're gonna take a tour of this property, so come on in, come join me. Here's a dining area and also another area that could be used for dining, and then we come into this kitchen. This house has been completely remodeled. It is 2679, about 2,600, almost 2,700 square feet, completely remodeled. New kitchen, new appliances. New hood, new backsplash, new cabinetry. Cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. Open concept. You have a huge island that overlooks your living / sitting area, which we'll take a look at that as well. Very nice view, lots of natural lighting. I do have the lights on, but there's lots of natural lighting here. In here is the laundry area, water heater, and so forth. Now I'd like to take you to this section of the house, which has been repurposed. Okay, so this wall that you see right here, or it used to be a bar in this area, it has been repurposed into a second master suite. So here you are looking at that. New flooring throughout, overlooks the backyard. And here we are in the second master bath. Okay, you see that? Beautiful. And walk-in closet and shelving. Notice the vaulted ceiling. Really nice space. One of the bedrooms or office can be repurposed for your office. Here's the other bedroom. Guest bedroom. This guest bedroom has two closets, distinct closets. They're not adjoining. Here's the guest bath, completely redone. New flooring, new toilet, new cabinetry. And here is the second master bath, bedroom or bedroom suite. Actually, this was part of the original design of the home. And so here you go, closet. Here is the master bath. Gold finishes are the trim throughout. The bath was removed. Tiles brought all the way up to the ceiling, and the shower extended. Here we are outdoors. You have a nice area of that slab, and you have a lot of green space too. So you can see yourself out here relaxing, enjoying dinner, a nice drink, or what have you. Completely redone. So, what do you think? This house is beautiful, isn't it? It's about 2,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Remember, it actually has 2 master master bath suites. 1 story, so anyone considering bringing in in-laws, it'd probably be a good fit for that type of setup. One of the bedrooms could be repurposed into office, and there's actually that extra dining space that I showed you in the beginning of this video that could also be an office space. So plenty of room to suit your needs. Completely redone, rebuilt, new flooring, new air conditioners, new paint, new appliances, new bathrooms, everything completely redone. So come visit, come check this place out. I'll be here hosting an open house this Sunday, September 5th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'd love to show you this home, and perhaps you want to place an offer on it. It's all good. All right, take care.